Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Standard X-ray Alpha, Juliet Mike Romeo, 15000.
X-ray Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center, Lima Altimeter 3016.
3016, Juliet Mike Romeo. Cleveland.
X-ray Juliet Mike Romeo, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just for request work area for plus 2000 in 15000.
You're just requesting a place to fly around for at 15000. X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, flighting 030.
030, X-ray Alpha Juliet Romeo.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, do you just need an area to fly around to get some work done?
Yes, sir. The flight 15,000, but protection area of plus 1,000, minus 1,000, and around 10 miles of any point.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, you're coming in pretty broken. Exactly what you need. Say it again.
We need an area of 10 miles around. But we could climb 1,000 or descend 1,000 from our altitude.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, I think both of you are stepping on each other and it's coming in pretty broken here. So one at a time, what do you need?
Yes, sir. How do you hear me?
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, I hear you loud and clear now, so try it again.
Okay, sir. Just for request work area and 15000 and between the 2000 and plus left for work area.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, you need a work area at 15000, and are you going to be going plus and minus altitude? Is that what you're trying to say, or no?
Affirmative, sir. Between 14 and 15 and 16,000 area.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, flighting 360.
Like in 360, Alpha Juliet Romeo.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, maintain block 14000 through 16000.
Okay, 14000 and 16000, X-ray Alpha Juliet Romeo.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, do you need anything else?
No, sir. Thank you very much.
No problem. Let me know if you do.
Thanks. No, sir.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland.
We are in the stall recovery, sir. Stall recovery, sorry.
X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center, stay altitude. X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center. X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center, how do you read? X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center. X-ray Alpha Juliet Mike Romeo, Cleveland Center. Southwest 3149, can you look at your 1 o'clock and about 20 miles? We're looking for an aircraft. Do you see if you see anything out there on the ground?
We're looking on the ground, Southwest 3149?
Yeah, well, I think we would, correction, yeah, just look and see if you see anything out there, any smoke or anything like that for me, please. We lost.
We're looking. Nothing to say right now, but we'll accept it.
Thanks. We just lost them on radar and can't get a hold of them right now, so let me know what you can see.
Yeah, we got burning smoke almost at our 1 o'clock long down low.
Southwest 3149, that's you that has that?
Hey, firm, it's 2149. Looks like there's a road just to the south of where that smoke's coming up from.
You see a road out that way, is what you're saying?
Firm, it looks like a highway just to the southeast, maybe, I don't know, a half a mile or so from where the burning smoke is.
There's a road to the south-southeast for where the burning smoke is.
Yeah, firm, it's big old black smoke coming up.